Okay, let's have a review with our midterm examination. With our prelim examination. So this is a review. No, so our prelim examination composed of 30 items, and um, you need to be careful to answer your midterm examination and follow the instruction po given. Okay, so first lesson, no? First examination natin is all about the vision, mission, and goal of the stickers, and also the values po. So you need to study the BMG and the values because it compose 5 to 6 items with that. Okay, the BMG. So you need to memorize po para maka-perfect in the BMG. So the nature of uses of mathematics is all about uh, it's all about the discovery of the mathematics, no? The starting of the mathematics. So ito po, no? So i-discuss dito kung the mathematics is invented, no, to measure things like this. As you can see sa mga pictures, merong mga markings, merong mga symbols about the discovery of mathematics. And the measurement is enabled in the early humans to manage uh, their people, to manage their animals, events, and the sources. So the purpose of the mathematics is to measure, no, and also to manage. And the mathematics is not discovered, no, but it is invented. So in the earliest math, so we have the prehistoric artifact way back 20,000 years ago. So as you can see, merong mga tracking in the lunar phases in the moon, and also linked to the wingman's menstrual cycles. Yan. No, so this purpose, no, is to predict, no, to predict and also to manage time. So yan, the nature of math, it is invented and discovered, no. It is a language, and that is a systematic body of knowledge. So yan. So in the Sumerian mathematics, no? So meron diyang scientific study of measurement. Sa Babylonian naman, accounting system, and with the evolution of math, no, parang globalization, na evolution into mathematics. So meron ng mga binary system, and meron ng mga calculus, integral calculus, differential calculus, basic calculus, no? From the Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. Graph theory also, no? Euler. Graph theory is all about geometric patterns, hyperbolic geometry, higher math yan, no? And abstract algebra. Yan. So, yun. Wala na eh. So, according to Plato, no, that mathematics is discovered, no, and exists in real of perfect, abstract, and independent ideas. So, according to him, no, mathematics objects exist, and also they are abstract, no, parang abstract art, no, and they exist independent of humans. So, independent of humans, so tayong lahat po is we can know naman, no, about math. We can solve naman, no, basic math, di ba? 1 plus 1, we can answer that one. So that is exists in independent of humans. And kang Aristotle, no, na dili na siya Aristotle, no, Aristotle, no, that math is preserved the Plato's ideas, but it emphasizes the deductive reasoning. So it means deductive reasoning from the general to specific, no, deductive. Inductive man good, specific to general idea. So yun. So in the system and symbol of math, no, meron tayong words, meron tayong syntax, And yung mga characteristic niya, meron siyang geographic, non-temporal. So, non-temporal meaning does not change over time. No? Non-temporal, parang formula. Di ba? Mga well-known na formula. For example, formula of solving the area of a square. Pythagorean theorem, Pythagorean formula. So, yan, no? Parang does not change over time. Tinatawag natin is constant yan. No emotional content. Walang emotional content yung math. Fix yung math kasi. And precise and concise. Clear and efficient in meaning. So that is why, no, balikan natin, no, yung impeachment ni Sara Duterte. So nagapangita sila pamaagi, no, to have the evidences against Sara, no, by numbers, by looking the bank account. Pero na dyan na siya class, no, because that is showing precise and concise and clear and efficient. So, it's all about money. So, it means na yung mga resibo. So, dapat yung resibo is tugma doon sa withdrawal, no? Doon sa mga perma, mga signatories. So, yun. So, katong nag-signatures pod, mag-ask mo na sila ha to check, no? Check and balance mo na siya ba? So, yun. Precise and concise ang math. Okay, wala na eh. So, phonetic languages, words, writing matches pronunciation, mathematics as a geography. Yan eh. Wala man nag-i-equal dito. Wala na sa exam. Okay. So, dari na sa exam. Ano na yung magawas dara. So, what is the purpose of math, no? Specifically in algebra. So, doon, of course, no, it is to study the study sets, yung operations, yung structures, calculus, yung abstract algebra naman, pag-analysis. So, kindly study this one, no, kaning slide. Pwede screenshot ninyo. So, pwede ra jud kay ninyo malian og duha ka items ang natong exam. No? Kaya ang passing score man kay 27/30 man. Okay. So, in academy, no, so it means to teach math courses, conduct and publish research according to CHED. For the industry naman, data analytics, finance, banking finance, no. So in the patterns, no, katong gina-discuss na to about itong mga animals, mga living things and the non-living things. Di ba? Okay. Yung honeycomb, no? Tiger stripes, the hyena spots, zebra stripes, katong sa sunflower, di ba? In the sunflower, meron tayong makikita na mga Fibonacci patterns. Di ba? Gisolve na to. No? So, ano yung formula, no, ng Fibonacci patterns? So, di ba, you need to add, no, the two preceding numbers to get the new number. For example, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yeah, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Ano ba? So, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, continuous na siya, class. No? So, yan. So, now Taylor shell naman, no, it shows the spiral growth pattern, yung Fibonacci sequence din, Fibonacci patterns, na merong 1.61. Ano yung value ng pi? Pi sa Fibonacci sequence.
3.14, sir.
Bangag dili man sa circle man na. Katong sa Fibonacci sequence, katong golden ratio ba?
1.6.
1.61. No. So that is the approximately value ng golden ratio. Okay, so yun. Ano pa? So, mga tiger stripes, no? Sunflower seeds, ano yung mga pattern, no? It shows the Fibonacci pattern. Okay, the shell, the same lang, no? Merong spiral. Yan. The butterfly, meron siyang bilateral. Ano yan? Bilateral symmetry. Yan. Diba? Hmm. Leonardo da Vinci, no? Nagtutuyot na siya, oh. Lipong na. No? So, that is showing the bilateral pattern. Yan. Rotational symmetry naman, unchanged. Remain unchanged po pag i-roll natin yung square, no? Pag i-rotate yung square, no? The same pattern lang po. And that is rotational symmetry. Formula ni ha? 360 divided by n. Angle of rotation. Okay, take note. Saan naman si liquid, no? May namin nang hugas mo ng plato. Ng klase mo ko. Liquid. O, yung mama pahugasan na liquid. Anong ikaw may ginuhugas na ng klase mo ta?
Nag-set po ko po. Na dami.
Okay, angle of rotation formula. 360 divided by n. For example, yung snowflake. Angle of rotation ng snowflake is 60 degree. Because the snowflakes have an angle of 6. Diba? 360 divided by 6 is 60 degree. And also, the honeycomb naman, emphasizing of the optimization problem. Yung maximization and minimization. Pag maximization, it means maximizing the area. Pag minimization, minimizing the wax. No, wax ng honeybees. So, na-solve natin yon. Ganyan. Diba? So, yung Fibonacci sequence naman, ito, no? That is the order of less of number called the terms that may have repeated values. And the arrangement of this term is set by definite rule. Okay, so siya ang rason na naglabad atong ulo. Char lang. So, dili. Pattern, siya ang naka-discovered, no? Sa pattern. Kinsa man na siya? Si Leonardo, dili na o Pisa ha? Leonardo Fibonacci. Pisa is sa Italy, man ba nga? Lugar man ang Pisa. So, Leonardo Fibonacci. Lalaki na siya. Lalaki na kay Leonardo man. Okay. Okay, so he was born in 1,170 years ago. No? So, yan. Si Leonardo. Ilailahan niya. Fibonacci. So, yung pattern, nakita natin doon sa pair of rabbits. No? Pag i-add natin yung dalawang rabbit, so, maging dalawa. No? 1 plus 2 maging 3. And 3 plus 2 is maging 5. So, nga na, kaigat si rabbit, no? Okay, after 1 month, mudaghan na. No? Manganak na po another pair of rabbit. No? So, yan. Controlled environment. So, yan ang pattern. Continuous na siya, class. No? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. And that is the pattern. Continuous because merong ellipsis. Yan. So, ito yung tinanong ko kanina. What's the value of the pi? No? So, 1.61. So, take note this one kay mugawas ni sa exam. Sana all. I-review pa. Sana all. Ayan. So, ito yung tinatawag nating the golden ratio, no? Take note the formula, A plus B over A is equal to A over B. Pag i-add siya, class, kaya kung i-solve ha, review man ta. Okay. Yung A dito is 34. A. Asa man ang B, ane? C. Sa nga value?
21.
21.
sir.
Oh, B is 21. Pag i-add na ninyo, class, A plus B, 34 plus 21, ano ba? Divided by 34 is equal to 34 over 21. So, yung resulting part dito, 34 plus 21, pila man eh? 20.
55, sir.
55. 55 divided by 34. Ano? Gamitin yung calculator, no? 34 divided by 21. Ang answer na, class, is 1.61. Nagya po na. Huwag na yun, nawag cell. Kada lang, class, ha? Ayun, nawag. Nawag. Oh. Oh, nawag. Okay, so yun, no? The formula of the golden ratio. So, sorry kayo. Yan. Even your faces, no? Meron yang golden ratio. The pyramid, merong golden ratio. Even your ears. The Mona Lisa. The Parthenon. Yan. Wala na eh. For prediction. Variables. Wala sa yung variables. Yung sets. Simple lang na sets. No, lalabas yon. Suga, among gawas po class katugong kon. Yung language of nak, ayaw nak. Okay, lima ako. So, magawas po tong kwan. Maorat to, no? Magawas po tong about sa mathematical languages. Katugong mga kwan. Kung discuss na to last time. The mathematical languages. Allow me to share my screen. Wait lang. Kanay, mong gawas na siya. Allow me to share my screen. Now. Yun. No, the mathematical languages. No, the basic operations in math. Of course, magawas na siya. Yung mga symbols. Yan, the four operations. Ito. Take note the symbols. Less than or equal, greater than or equal to, congruent or equivalent, approximately, not equal to or equality sign. No, take note this one ha, magawas na siya class. Kaning yung mga symbols. Yan. So, sadihin ninyo ni ha, may magawas na siya. So, yan, yun lang, no? That would be our